You're recording now.
Okay, tell me when.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are recording. No, really, we are? Okay. I'm sorry.
Do a clap.
Hi guys, thanks for stopping by Feed the Family, and today I'll be making oatmeal. If you're interested to see how that is done, stay tuned. Hi guys, thanks for stopping by Feed the Family, and today I'll be teaching you how to make oatmeal. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, stay tuned. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients laid out: salt, oatmeal, and bay leaf. Okay, so we start off by bringing the bay leaf and the salt and water to a rapid boil. If you prefer, you can use a cinnamon stick in place of the bay leaf. Now that the water is boiling, you go ahead and add the oatmeal and just give everything a quick stir to ensure that all the oatmeal is separated, and reduce the heat. Cover it over and allow for the oatmeal to simmer. And this will take about, let's say, between 5 to 7 minutes to cook up the oats. When the oatmeal is done, you give it a fluff with the fork to loosen it up. At this point, you can sweeten it and eat it however you like. Now for my family and I, we had ours with banana, peanut butter, cinnamon, and chopped nuts. So I start off by adding the banana to the bowl, and bananas are really great because they're naturally just sweet, so you may not even need any sugar to sweeten this, any sugar or honey or anything like that. You can also do this with applesauce, which is also sweet, and I've done this before with sweet potato. I've mashed sweet potato as well. Next up, we add the oatmeal. Followed by the peanut butter. And some cinnamon. You can use cinnamon, you can use apple pie spice, pumpkin spice, whatever you have you can use. I personally like to use cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger in my oatmeal. I just love to just use all three of those. And this recipe actually came about because when our little girl was baby transitioning into solid foods, we started giving her cereal with mashed banana. So we would give her things like cream of wheat with mashed banana, and then we gave her some oatmeal, and we tried this in particular and we really enjoyed it, so we started eating it ourselves. Now of course hers didn't have the nuts on it. And the next step will be to add it to a bowl, and the peanut butter is a great addition because it adds protein to the recipe. Okay, so the next thing, I'll be topping it off with some chopped walnuts, sunflower seeds, as well as pumpkin seeds. If you're allergic to nuts, you can just go ahead and use pumpkin seeds as well as sunflower seeds. And also what you can do as well, you can cook a big pot of oatmeal and you can reheat it throughout the week, and you can take from it every day and heat it up with some water or milk and add your banana to it and your peanut butter, however you like. So be sure to let me know if you tried the recipe and let me know what you think. I'll be sure to chime in. Thanks for watching. See you soon.